Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can actually do your research for your print on demand, get a design, and also design them using AI. And also at subsequent time I'll be showing how you can actually design your original work using Canva. But here we'll be using AI, we'll also be using Canva to put everything together. So even when you don't have design experience, don't worry. This video will show you how you can do your research to actually get a very profitable niche for you to do your design and publish. I've In our previous video I've did introduction on print on demand. I've also shown you how to upload your works on platform like Redbubble. So we are still on Redbubble now. As time goes on, I will still show you how to upload your work on Public, and also how to do some other things, how to create your collections, how to promote your work. So follow me. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. As you can see, we are also growing from here. You can see, please, only thing you can do for us is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support us. So let's dive straight into this. Now we'll enter our website called Redbubble. Now, for example, let's assume that you want to do a design that's related to something like women. You can search for it. Let me assume women. You can search for it. Let me choose the one like women sticker. Now you can see a lot of stickers here being designed, right? A lot of stickers here being designed. Let's see, maybe women rights. Let's filter it, women rights. Now you can see all this. Now these are some of the tags. All these ones are blue. These are some of the tags related to your search. You can copy them and keep somewhere which you use in your tags. Now from here you can actually niche down to something you want. If I click on equal rights, you can see it's been niched down. It's been niched, and click on okay, let's see diversity and inclusion. You can see everyone you click will bring out something. Now you can look at this. You can continue to niche down to see what you want. Celebrate differences. Okay, let's go to celebrate differences. Now you can see this. Now some of these things, anyone you click, they have their own tags. All these things, 1 2 3 4 and so on, are tags that you can use for your upload to make your work visible to the searchers. Now I don't know, let's see what happens. I love this design. Let's click on this design. I love it. Let's click on the design itself. This is the design, right? This is the design. So what I will do, I will reduce the browser for them to allow me to screenshot this. You can see, you can zoom in and zoom out, right? Now what I will do is this. I will screenshot this design here. You can see I've screenshotted it. Let me reset this to 100%. I've screenshotted it. So what I will do is this. I'll go to my file where I screenshotted this design. Where is it? Here. I want to crop it out. This is the design here. Let me open it. So this is design here. So I'll click on edit. What I want to do, I want to crop it out. Now follow me. You see what I do here. This, if you don't have any background on design, so you can actually do what I'm doing here to help you out. To Why is it wasting my time? It will help you out to achieve what you want. Edit. Why is this taking time to load? Very good. So I will just crop this out this way, just to get only the design. Crop it out this way, only the design. Then I'll save it as, save a copy as um I'll save it as, what will I save it as? Let me just save it as design. I don't know what to save it with. Let me make it JPEG. JPG. JPG. Let me save it as JPG. Let me save it under download so that it's easier for me to locate. So you can see I have saved the design. So what I will do here is this. I will go to my chat GPT. I'll go to my chat GPT, which is already opened here. I will click on this plus sign, upload this design. Why is it taking time? Let me close this first. Upload this design, click on download. Now you can see, let me upload this. It's uploading. So what we'll do now is to tell ChatGPT to give us prompts that will design this. So we'll say write prompt, a prompt that will replicate this design, that will replicate, okay, that will replicate this design and make it better. This prompt should be detailed. So let's see what happens here. So we'll give it to ChatGPT. Let's see the prompt that ChatGPT will give to us. Now you can see ChatGPT has started generating this prompt. So this is the prompt ChatGPT generated for us. So I don't want to copy all the suggestion. I'll just copy this, right? I will copy this here, or I will still click on, let me just copy everything. Then I will come to Leonard AI. If you have not been using Leonard AI, you can register and see how it works here. So I will enter to Leonard AI. I will click on image. So you can see this has already appeared. Mice to 1000 ratio. So it has already appeared. I will choose this 1 and 1. This is what I wanted. I don't know why he gave me the other thing. So I will choose this. You can see some of the images I've generated for my thumbnail. So I will choose this particular one and leave it at medium, very fast and all that. So this is the design, right? Print on demand. No, this is not the design. So let's copy this, the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. So let's paste it here. Let's paste it here. Right, this is the prompt. Let's paste this here. So what we will do now is we'll click on generate. So let's wait for it to generate the designs. So every day Leonard AI gives you what, 150 credits. Because I clicked on generate, they are minus 20 already. So you can see it's generating from the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. So let's see what will happen here. You can see I don't speak. So you have to check the spelling. I don't speak. So what is the this thing that will give it? I don't speak much because I am brilliant and I'm busy thinking. I don't speak much. So you have to see I don't speak. You can see this spelling is not correct, but here I don't speak. I don't speak because I'm brilliant and I'm busy thinking, which doesn't make sense. I don't speak much, brilliant, and I don't speak much. I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and thinking. Okay, this is a very good um. This is a very good one. This is actually very clean. This particular one is very clear. You can see it. I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and thinking. So we can actually make use of this one. Download this particular one here. If you can see it, okay, download this particular one. So let's click on it so that you can view it from here. Are you seeing how it is? So this is it here. This is the design given to us. I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and thinking. It's very good. So what do we do? In We have to go to our Canva, but before then, if you go to your what's it called? If you go to your Redbubble, let's leave this first. Let me enter again to the side. When you click on art, when you click on art, add art, let's click on this. You can see that the pixel that the resolution they want is what 5000 pixel by 5000 pixel. So that's what I want to show you. So what you have to do now is go to your Canva. Now this is Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, I have done a video on how to get Canva Pro for free on this channel, so you can look for it, or I will add the link to this video. Now click on this create design on your Canva, customize design. This is pixel, right? Now we have to choose what 5000 by 5000 pixel. Then click on your design. Click on your design. So we want to make sure that we resize this particular design that AI gave to us. Design one. Let me name it design one. Then we upload this our design to our Canva here. Upload, upload this to this place. Now you can see our design. Click on it. You can see how it is. Then here, set image as background. You can see I right clicked here and set image as background. You can see how our design looks like. Now what you need to do is what you download it as JPEG, you download it as PNG, transparent background. Let's do it that way. Then click what download. Click download. Now your design is what ready. It has been resized. Now let's click on our design and see. Now you can see your design is very clean and neat. So all you need to do now is go to your work. You can see upload your design one, upload it here. Then if you don't know how to upload, I did a video, the last video I posted before this one. I have taught you guys how to upload all this and that. Now how to upload on Redbubble. Now another thing is this. Let's go back to this place. Now if you go back here, if I click on back, go back, let me go up. You can see these are tags. These are tags associated to some of these our search. So you can actually copy them this way, paste it on your notepad, paste them on your notepad and separate them by comma. You see? So separate all these things, arrange them, separate them by comma. You can go back. Let me go back. Yeah, this is another thing here. Difference. Let me go back again. Now all these things are tags associated to some of the things you are searching. So you can actually copy some of these tags and use them. Depends on where your search is. So you can see here. Let me see if we have uploaded our work here. You can see it has been uploaded. Now if you go down, you can see how this thing looks. Now as I did in the first video, you start adjusting them. So you don't have to have a design you don't have to be a designer or professional before you can do your print and demand what's it called, print and demand business. So you can start this way, and this my work I will also upload this particular one. So if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, likes and subscribe. Now another thing I will show you in our next video is how to create collections. You can see these are collections, how to create collections, how to promote. So a lot to come. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the only thing you can do for us if you are learning something. Yeah, and also if you're a beginner, this actually will help you out to know the way you are going. Thank you. Bye.